Hi, I'm Christine Chang and I'm the co-founder of Glow Recipe. I'm taking you behind the scenes of how we make the Cloudberry Bright Essence Toner. Cloudberry is actually considered the liquid gold of skincare. It's packed with antioxidants and good-for-you ingredients. We bring in our Cloudberry flash frozen at peak freshness from Finland and Sweden, and then the Cloudberry seed oil in the formula is brought in from Norway. All of the Cloudberry is wildcrafted, meaning that it's grown in an organic, pesticide-free habitat. This antioxidant-rich fruit is fermented to further help absorption of efficacy and helps to brighten, even tone, and protect skin from free radicals.
We're really excited to be able to add rice water to this formula.
Sarah and I both grew up with our moms teaching us to splash rice water on our faces, and it really helps to soften and condition the skin. So now our Cloudberry formula is mixing in these giant fats so that all the active ingredients are getting evenly incorporated into the formula. CoQ10 is a powerful antioxidant that keeps skin healthy, bouncy, and supple and helps support and boost your serums. Cloudberry concentrate helps brighten and even tone. 5% glycerin and amino acids help soften and hydrate skin. We love that we were able to pack this formula with so many amazing ingredients to create an ultra-concentrated, efficacious essence toner.
And we can actually take a peek. It's a little heavy.
Our formula is made using algin, a lightweight gel that's naturally derived from seaweed. Algin is excellent for retaining moisture, protecting skin, and aiding in skin softening. The formula texture changes into a liquid as it moves through the pump. Once the formula is ready, we move to our filling station. Our glass bottles are made with 70% recycled glass and are 100% recyclable. Now it's time to level up your routine and transform your skin with the first multitasking treatment step to brighten and even tone.
Thank you so much for coming along with us to see the behind the scenes of how Cloudberry Bright Essence Toner is made at our lab. It was a blast having you guys, and I cannot wait for you to try this formula. Get your glow on!